Good evening, sir. I'm Jadine Disupangan. Once again, in this video, I will be presenting the code that you assigned to us in VLE. By the way, I will be using the VS Code app, so let's start. In the first line, import java.util.scanner. The scanner class from java.util is imported to allow user input. And public class main and the public static void main string args. The main class is declared and the main method is the entry point where execution starts. And the scanner equals new scanner system in. A scanner object named scanner is created to read user input from the console. System.out.print enter the number of elements. Int n equals scanner.nextInt. Int r equals new int. The program asks the user for the number of elements, stores it in n, and then creates an integer array R of size n. System.out.println enter plus n plus numbers for int I equals 0, I less than n, I plus plus, ri equals scanner.nextInt. A loop iterates from 0 to n-1, allowing the user to input numbers which are stored in the R array. System.out.println duplicate value found. Boolean has duplicates equals false. The program displays duplicate value found and has duplicates is set to false to track if duplicates exist. For int I equals 0, I less than r dot length I plus plus, Boolean is first occurrence equals true. The outer loop iterates through each element in the array. The is first occurrence flag is set to true to track if a value has already been processed. For int j equals 0, j less than I, j plus plus, if ri equals rj, its first occurrence equals false and then break. A nested loop iterates through previous elements 0 to I negative 1. If ri is found before, its first occurrence is set to false and we exit the loop early, which is the break. If its first occurrence continue, if its first occurrence is false, the loop moves to the next iteration to avoid duplicate printing. The string builder indices new string builder and the Boolean found duplicate equals false. A string builder name indices stores duplicates indices as a formatted string. And the found duplicate is a flag to track if additional duplicates exist. And the for int j equals I plus 1, j less than r dot length, j++ if ri equals rj, indices that append string append j found duplicate equals true. This is another loop checks for occurrences of ri. The remaining part of the array is I plus 1 to n. If a match is found, the index is added to indices and found duplicate is set to true. If found duplicate, system.out.println value plus ri plus at index plus indices has duplicates equals true. If found duplicate is true, it prints the value and all its duplicate and indices. And the has duplicate is updated to true since at least one duplicate was found. If has duplicates and system.out.println no duplicate values found, it means if no duplicates were found, a message is displayed. And the last is scanner.close. It means closes the scanner object to free system resources. And let's see the output. Let's enter number 7 elements. 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 4, and 1. Duplicate value found in the value 1 at index 0, 3, 6, and the value 2 at index 1 and 4. And this is the output. And this is the output and the code flow summary. The program asks for the number of elements and stores user input in an array. It iterates through the array, checking each element for duplicates. If a duplicate is found, its indices are stored and printed. The program ensures that each duplicate value is printed only once. If no duplicate exists, it prints no duplicate values found. The program terminates after processing all values. In the input, the user is first asked to enter the number of elements, which is the 7. The user then enters 7 numbers, 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 4, and 1. These numbers are stored in an array. In the index, there are 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, and 6. In the value, there are 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 4, and 1. In the output, duplicate value found value 1 at index 0, 3, and 6. In the value 2 at index 1 and 4. The program searches for duplicate values in the array. The number 1 appears at indices 0, 3, and 6. So it's print value 1 at index 0, 3, and 6. And the number 2 appears at indices 1 and 4. So it prints value 2 at index 1 and 4. The numbers 3 and 4 do not have duplicates, so they are not included in the output. Since at least one duplicate exists, the message duplicate value found is displayed before listing duplicates. And this is for tonight. Thank you, sir.